In the last video, we learned about some of the tips and tricks to access Eclipse ID. In the last video, we learned about some of the tips and tricks available for Eclipse ID. So in this video, we will learn about how to open a web browser within an Eclipse ID. Let's say you want to search something and you don't want to leave the ID. So there is an option available for searching the web browser within the Eclipse ID. So let's see it how we can access. Just go to Window. Here you can see the Show View option is visible. Click on it. Right now you can see some views are available, but the browser view is not available. So click on Other. Now you can see the Show View dialog box is visible. Now you have to type browser in the filter text to find the browser settings. So go for it. Here you can see I have typed browser and the internal web browser option is visible. Just select it and click on OK. In the bottom you can see an internal web browser view is visible just beside problems. So now we will type the address here and then press enter. So let's do it. So here you can see I have typed eclipse.org, then I pressed enter, then the website is visible. If you want, you can drag the view to left side or on the right side to ease your work. We have seen this setting under rearrange views and editor video. So in this video we saw how we can easily open a web browser in an Eclipse ID to ease our work for searching and navigating any website. Thank you for watching.